Yeah. Right. I have got, this is awful. I can use the mouse, but I can't use the keys, which means I think that it might be best just to, literally no keys. It might be best for me to log out of the machine and log back in again. So if I will do that if you stay there for 2 minutes.
Yes, yes, no problem.
I will hope that this works. Hello. I seem to have my keyboard back anyway. So if I do screen share and start up. No, I didn't really want to open that. Oh, I don't want that debugger either. Right. Now, where were we? We were working in the show page for volunteer opportunities. Right, don't need to recover what was going on. And I need a terminal to run some tests. So I do a cd log into the Vagrant again. Yeah, it's letting me back in. Right. Okay, what I was going to type here was what we had before, if editable. And then end. What is that actually? No, that's really what I want. I just want to set editable to true or false. So if I go to the spec, volunteer ops views. Yeah, so rather than having this complicated user thing, maybe I just want to do add editable. I can do it here. And then worry about setting that in the controller or the model. That makes it much simpler design, I think. CD, local support, run the spec. Right, still got some extra complications here. Now I think that just for this is probably how I should be doing it. Make it easier to add extra ones. It's still failing. So what have I done wrong?
But I mean, we have another link which is called edit. Could not we change the name of the button?
Yeah.
What was it? Timing?
Yeah. It's. Do
When
we
you
have one
see
with
the page in Rails server, there is an edit URL or something like this.
Ah, yes, it probably is. Yes. Yeah.
Maybe that would be better to change the name of this button here, which is new.
Which button?
This button which we try to implement.
Okay.
Or maybe I don't understand, but from what I see.
I don't know. What do you want to change it to? You probably might be right.
Or to put it on an ID on it. I don't know, but something which is this.
Oh yes, yeah. Which distinguishes it. I mean, we can yes even just look for the look for that. I'm going to change that to mean what we say. But I'm wondering if I fixed it. If we have fixed it just by changing the path. Okay, so that's not the problem. It's not the problem. We're looking for the right one, but for some reason we're not getting quite what we want. Oh well, let's see. That's not a good place to have this.
It's above.
Yeah, have it above. Because yes, this should set the editable instance variable. Oh, there's no do there. You need a do on if. My memory of Ruby is suddenly going to becoming a disaster. Do we need a do on an at the start of an if block? If you don't remember either, I'm looking right back at the textbook. If condition statement else statement end. No, you don't need a do. Something else is the matter. Right. This is really slow and it's annoying me. I am going to do install another gem that might speed it up. I'm going to do gem install Zeus, and that should speed up our spec anyway. Well, hang on, this has failed and I haven't gone into the debugger. I don't know what the matter is now. I should be able to debug in a view like that, though it's a long time since I've tried it.
And save an open page does not work? Not in view.
Mm-hmm. Don't think I can open a page because I haven't got a web browser.
Save page. Okay.
Let's just do that. Yeah.
Normally this is save an open page.
Yeah. I don't think open page will work on Vagrant because it hasn't got a web browser.
Okay.
Let's see how that gem install is doing. No, that worked. Oh, I've just installed it on my host machine. Yeah. My other problem is that when I had switched everything off, I switched off the synchronization. Which really makes it hard. If I make changes here, then that's okay. I'm synchronizing the same way as you are because I switched away from my branch with the synchronization. That's all right. No. I'm going to have to go in a minute. I'll leave the room and just check on something, I'm afraid, while that's running. Hello, I'm back. Still waiting for this, though. I'm going to install that old version of Zeus. Yeah, I'm going to install maybe that version. No. Why do I still not have a debugger? Less spec volunteer spec views volunteer ops show. Well, I've saved that there with the debugger, but it's not been synchronized over to here. So that's my problem. So what's the matter with my shared folder? So it's this guy here. Settings. Shared folders. Not sure what automate means. I'm going to ask it what's mounted. Mount. Where's the shared folder? Nothing. Oh, this is not good. It's not getting my code that I'm trying to send to it. Although it was getting it before. Maybe that's before I had to reboot. Or log out and log back in again. So it's got its boot disk. It's got a disk called Vagrant. I wonder what that contains. Oh, that is another copy of my... oh no, that's really confusing. I bet you this one's up to date. Oh no, it looks like a real mess. It looks up to date, but it's showing me. And it's got the debugger line in it. So I bet you that RSpec could work here. But yeah, I switched folders, or switched mount points from /LocalSupport to /Vagrant. Well, now it's a mess expected. It's telling me my syntax is wrong. And line what? Line 1, unexpected T identifier expecting end. Volunteer op show do. Huh? Oh, in the spec. There's nothing going on in line 1. I think maybe if I restart the Vagrant box, it will be more healthy. But I'm a bit skeptical. Alright. I wonder if here should be the point where I do it.
You have something, maybe an invisible character on the first line of the spec?
Yeah, it's possible. Well, there's something going on there.
Don't see.
If I just type that line again. And delete that one. Save that. Done. Vagrant hold. I'll do Vagrant. Yeah, I'll just do Vagrant up again. Already been used. Oh. What's it complaining about? Well, it says it's powered off. Maybe it'll let me have another go. Maybe that's just a temporary state. Now what I was going to say is maybe now's a good time for me to do a commit and a push and let you drive for a while. Because we've only got 10 minutes left before the scrum.
You're not logged in my machine, no? Because I have not.
No, not at all.
No, that can.
No, definitely not logged in your machine.
No,
I
I
would not know
just
how to do that.
asked because I have not alt the vagrant. So,
Yeah, no, I halted my Vagrant.
okay.
I restarted it and it's showing us. Okay, so this time it's got 2 mount points, Vagrant and LocalSupport, both mounting the same thing. So that's run this back. I'm going to start Zeus as well. So log into it again. Log in as my terminals as I like into Vagrant. I hope it. Oh. Oh, there's that same error again. Now the only thing that's odd here is that these are saying that they're Mac files. I don't want Mac files. NF style, Unix style line feed. Right. Right, have I found anything? No. don't think Zeus is going to work for me anyway. Well, at least I didn't get this error this time. So you're right, there's a hidden character somewhere in that line. I think it was probably the line ending at the end of the line.
Yes, possibly. Ah, you copy from mine? Huh?
Yes, that's right.
So that may...
Although I don't think you wrote in this spec. I wonder if I just hit a key incorrectly on Emacs. And it's a coincidence it switched it to Mac. Well, now I'm in the debugger that I wanted to be in. So if I do echo, sorry, if I do P,
Neil, yes.
mm,
It should be passed from
you know,
the
maybe that's my
controller.
problem.
Yes.
Um,
Does not exist.
so nil is falsy and true is obviously truthy. So if this is going through correctly, then it's editable is false, and it should be never be rendering this, but in fact it's rendering this all the time according to the test results. But now I've got with the right to edit, it renders an edit button. Without the right to edit, I'm right in here in the debugger. So if I just do a render, oh, do a save page as well. Oh, it isn't like that. No, I think it doesn't work in view specs.
Yes, you should be in Selenium, yeah, not in Capybara or something like that. Oh, you should have Lanchy. You have Lanchy?
I don't think I have Launchy.
Well, that's the problem, maybe. I think we need Lanchy to get 7 open page work with
Yeah,
Capybara.
we do have Launchy.
We do have it? Ah, yes.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Anyway, we'll do a. Have we done a render? Oh, we'll just say next. Right, we've done the render, so we can do rendered. Right, so we've got.
Okay.
We don't have a link, so IOP rendered has link edit. That failed.
Oh.
Undefined method. Oh, has link. Expected to find link edit, but there were no matches. Well, that's good. There's no matches, so it's possible that this code wasn't being correctly synchronized with the Vagrant box as well. So if I exit out of this and continue. Failure, no, one failure. Volunteer up show with the right to edit. I need to go back to the buffer. Back. right to edit. Renders an edit button and expect render to have link. Edit, but there were no matches. Does not render an edit button is now passing. So now we've got one to pass and the other one to fail, but I think the problem is that I am setting a local variable instead of an instance variable. But that is, oh yeah, I have to do an assign. So I need to do assign. So forget that. I need to do assign. Editable false. Yeah, I got misled for a while because the code wasn't synchronizing properly. Right. Let's see what's going on in Slack. I think the meeting is starting in a moment, so I'm going to do a get commit and a get push. TD. See what the changes are. Yeah, I've changed the feature, tidied that up. I've done some volunteer op show, and I've added this scenario. I've got 5 specs passing, but obviously the cucumber's not passing. Good. This is the one I don't want to add because this is the one I haven't implemented yet. Features, admin, edit charity feature. When did I actually change the admin edit charity feature? Oh yeah, I didn't like the use of English there. Work in progress. Making fall up. Needs editable set. Get push. source origin. So that is there for us to work on later.